Hey everybody, this is Kai, and today we're going to make hand sanitizer. Yes, we are. The same hand sanitizer. This guy done figured out how to take water and some plain old alcohol and make billions off of it just by mixing stuff together. Come on, guys. We could do this. It's really that simple. Okay? So, gotta start off with good stuff though. You can't be putting crap on your hands. Okay, so I have my vegetable glycerin. I love this stuff. This is food grade vegetable glycerin. So you can, if it touches your mouth or whatever, you won't die. So this is the good stuff. And if you can see, this is the company I get it from right here. I mean, this right here, that's it. You know what I mean? Alcohol. I mean, not using my good stuff. I'm not gonna put my vodka in it. Just regular old rum and alcohol. You good. Itty bitty spray bottle. Look at that. Love this. Kids get in the car. It's the best thing. Did you just touch the wall in that store? Spray them down. All right. So it's, it really, for me, it just depends on how thick you want it. But if you're going to put it in a spray bottle, it's, you don't want it like so thick that it's not going to come out. If you're going to put it in a bottle so it won't run all over your hands, you're going to make it a little bit thicker. That's it. So I'll put the vegetable glycerin in here. It's a little gloppy. Okay, so that's probably about a half a cup. I have a couple of spray bottles I need to fill. So, not that much. There you go. All right. Then the rest, I'm going to pour some alcohol in it. Till it's about halfway the bottle. Look, this squirt thing is taking forever. I don't have all day. I'm trying to show y'all that it's fast. And I'm about to take forever. Okay, you can see it's kind of sitting right on top. Okay, so you can kind of sitting right on top there. I'm just gonna mix it together. It's gonna start to get a little cloudy. I was listening to the Clay Kane show before I started this video. Had to listen to yesterday's show. So if y'all haven't checked out Clay Kane, why? Urban View 126, best channel ever. That's all I listen to. Okay, see, it's a little runny. It'll spray just fine. Keep stirring it until it gets, see, it's about clear again, but you can kind of see it. Make sure it's all incorporated. Okay. It's gonna have little bubbles in it if you're making it a little thicker, because if you look at Purell, it's, you can see all the little bubbles and stuff like that, so that's fine. All right, so I stirred it up. Now what you can do, I usually add like lemon or peppermint. There's peppermint. I think I ran out of lemon, but lavender, frankincense is very good. Very good for your skin anyway. And thieves. This will kill like Ebola. Like thieves is amazing. So, whichever one you want to make it smell, just smell pretty. My kids be having germs when they get home, so I'm gonna kill me some germs. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Oop, they got one for good luck. There you go. And frankincense, just because I love frankincense. I'm sorry. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stuff's expensive. Oh, 6. It's expensive, so don't use a lot. All right, we're just gonna stir that. around, get that in there. Now, hand sanitizer, guys, is not in place of soap and water. It's not. Okay, it's those cases where, you know what, I can't get to water right now. And you have it. It's a backup. You accidentally had to, I mean, well, not accidentally, you had to open a door. You know, like there's something you had to touch, or somebody, you know, sneezed and like, oh my God, and you know, and you felt a droplet touch your hands. I mean, I'm joking, but I'm serious, for real. Like, just, you know, make it real quick and keep it in your truck. And there you go. Let me see. Smells good. Smells like alcohol. That's good. But it's a lot thicker, so. But I'm gonna take it. I'm just gonna fill my little bottle up, and because it's pink, my kids are probably gonna take it because it looks nice. But I asked my kids, I was like, do y'all have Purell in your classroom? They're like, no, we don't. I'm like, excuse me? Well, yeah, y'all need to get that. See, it looks just like Purell. It's so great. There you go, guys. Now, I suggest you get online and start buying this vegetable glycerin up before they realize y'all making it on your own and they start taking it off the shelf. Because I'm telling you, like my last video, Costco had nothing. Sam's, Walmart got rid of that stuff in August. Shoot. All right, let's see if I made it too thick to spray. Oh, sprays. There you go, guys. Look at that. Don't panic. Be prepared. That's it. Don't panic. Be prepared. We are American. Well, we're statesmen because America is a continent. Come on now. We have been through a lot. We know how to survive. We don't need everybody else. We can figure this stuff out on our own. So let's use our noggins. We can handle this. There you go. Okay. Get it popping. Make your stuff. Calm down. Stay clean. Stay protected. Okay. I love y'all. Talk to y'all later.